Lo sagari baba hai ke tini all level of fashion pe gada. Simi changmani na modeling.
Ang modeling khaina ni changman hinke when I was 17. First ani parents rong ekdam shoya because being a science student chung onek ma poriwo. Day and night we have to study to make it. And then ang ani parents onek convince khaika. And at the year 2023 ang Guwahati was Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast Thangka, and then I got the title of Mega Miss Tripura. After that, I went to Miss Hornbill International, which happened in Dimapur, Nagaland, and I was in top 5. And after that, my parents supported me so much that ang tini Miss India ni crown to Tripura hayo. I'm so grateful to my parents, any friends, any family, and then yeah, I believe I'm a God's child, and then I believe that ang onek no face khaika rejection national sa thangay ang femi na dui ba thanga, and they rejected me twice and it broke me like very badly, but still I didn't give up because ani ma ano push khaika, ani parents ano onek push khaika, and then I went to Bombay for this GMI Miss India, and I'm so happy that I am the first ever Miss India from Tripura. And now I will be representing India at Jakarta, Indonesia in Miss Culture International 2025 in next year, which will be happening on the month of June. Thank you.
Whom will you like to remember for the best in this modeling?
Sorry?
Till today, did anyone of you like your parents? Someone wants to be their daughter to become doctor?
No, actually, my mom and dad, they always wanted me to be in medical field. So I became,
Like doctor, right?
yeah. So I decided that I will pursue medical laboratory technology, and by the grace of God, ang this year graduating ka Martin Luther Christian University ni Siming medical laboratory technology to yoy. So yeah, after that, any parents anu kuno hilli, they supported me so much.
They gumama tahu, mane modeling mote thana but sometimes their parents used to stop them. So what will you like to say from?
See, being a pageant girl, I'll say pageantry and modeling is both different things. So, both a pageant girl, I would like to say that we pageant girls, we don't only model, we don't only pose in front of the camera, we speak. And like when we speak, people listen to it. So, it's something that empowers, uplifts, and educates people. So, I believe that if I can do it, everyone can do it. If you have a dream, don't look behind, just go for it because we only get to live once.
Indian sing kai water thanko ai no pame sibai actually ini ko episode ring na I don't know where that anyhow
Okay, sure, I'm ready.
Okay